Here we go. All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday, the 23rd day of April, 2014. The results in the live trading room today. We made 10 ticks on soybeans, 10 ticks on the Russell. We lost 8 ticks on natural gas, and we made 9 ticks on crude oil. Didn't make anything on gold. Today it took, I say 2 minutes, but I don't know that it took that long. It might have taken 30 seconds, but I said 2 minutes. And one trade to get to our goal for the day, which is $100 a contract. We took 13 trades in total today in the live trading room. Currently, for the month of April, we are up $5,852.50. 58, 52, 50. Every month. When we start the month out, sometimes it seems like it's just going slow. But this month, well, so far so good. All green days. If you apply any dollar commission to every trade that we took, so far we have taken 199 trades in the month of April. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we took, you would be up $4,260.50. If you apply a $5 commission to every trade we took, you would be up $4,857.50. Those are net numbers. That's after the costs. Okay, the gross is $5,852 net over here. Okay. That is where we stand on the month. And if you have not taken the free trial with us, and you want to take the free trial with us, well, you just need to go to CFRN.net. Here it is. Go to our homepage at CFRN.net. Fill in your name and your email address. Fill in your name and your email address, and click on Register for a Free Trial. When you do that, you'll be sent an email, a confirmation email, that you need to click on, because until you click on that, we don't know that you have signed up for the free trial. All right, so you click on that confirmation email, then we'll know. Then you'll be sent a couple of emails telling you what it takes to get into the live trading room, giving you all the information you need, and you'll be sent a second email, a follow-up email that says how to build a workspace in DT Pro, or how to build a workspace in Ninja. Right in the subject line it says, please watch this video, and really please watch that video, because if you do, you'll be a little bit ahead of the curve when you get into the live trading room. Okay, because it's like 5 minutes at the end of the DT Pro video that shows you what the trade setups are and how they all work, so you'll know what to expect once you get into the live trading room. Okay, so please watch that video. That's all you got to do. Name, email, register for free trial. Click on the confirmation link that's sent to you. That's all you got to do. All right, no credit card, nothing like that. All right, so let's get into the trades. Today, we'll start out with crude oil like we always do. Today in crude, we only had a couple of trades in crude today, and we ended plus 9 ticks in crude oil today with our couple of trades. Hold on a sec. There we go. All right. So that's it. Our very first trade on crude was right over here. We took there was an up close above the trend line. Now the price had pulled back, and we jumped in on the pullback because I didn't see it at the beginning. We took 8 ticks profit on that first trade right there. Okay, there was another shorting opportunity right here off the BBC. There was one right here where it tested the BBC and gave a down close, and there was a follow-up. Well, there was really no divergence, but it was right there, that orange bar. I should move this over. That orange bar, the down close right there. You see how we had bearish divergence in a red cycle? That was it. All right, and it moved down. The next trade that we took on crude was right over here. This was a breakout trade. Now this morning when the crude inventories came out, we had given 2 numbers. We had given 101.69 and I believe it was 102.09. I think were the numbers. It dropped down here and it filled us over here. We ended up taking 1 tick profit on it. It gave about 6 or 8 ticks. We ended up taking 1 tick profit on it. And it did move down from 101.69. It dropped all the way down to 101.31 for 38 ticks possible. I know some guys stuck it out for the whole 7 minutes and did that. I didn't. I moved my stop to plus a tick over here once we had about 8 or 9 ticks profit in the trade. I moved my stop to plus a tick and I got taken out there. On the way back up, there were a couple of opportunities to trade it. There was one right here, close above the trend line, another one above the trend line here, and another one above the trend line there. I missed all three of those. All three of them were nice winning trades. That was it on crude. It went flat after that. And during the break, there was an opportunity to short right in here. And again, right there. There were 2 opportunities to short during the break, but I did not do any of those. So we ended crude plus 9 ticks. Okay, on the morning, plus 9 ticks. Now the next market is the Russell. We took a bunch of trades on the Russell this morning. Alright, so this was our first trade on the Russell. This was right at the open. Right at the open. As soon as I sat down anyway. We jumped in on the Russell and we took 10 ticks profit on the very first trade. We got in here and we took 10 ticks profit, and that was it. There was another opportunity to go long. Once it got up above the weekly trading zone right here, there was another opportunity to go long on the up close right here. I did not take that trade. I missed it, but it gave a few ticks. There was a shorting opportunity right in here that I missed as well, coming out of the zone. Right there, coming out of the zone. And there was another one right over here. I missed both of those. Let's see. Over here, we got nothing. Over here, we took this short right here, and then this short, and then this short. I think we got 2 ticks profit on that one, 3 on that one, and 2 on that one. So we got 7 ticks total out of all of those. That put us at plus 17 ticks. All right. We took this long trade right here, and it stopped us out pretty much to the tick. It stopped us out, and then it did what it should have done. So we lost 8 ticks on that. That put us back down to plus 9 ticks. Okay. This last trade right here was a close above the trend line. We took that, and we took 1 tick profit. And that was our trading for the day on the Russell, guys. Currently, the Russell had, if I draw a trend line over here, draw a trend line up the bottoms, Russell had a short trade right in here. Okay. Right there. That's what the Russell is giving you right now. And that was it, guys. That was it on the Russell. Okay. So we ended the Russell plus 10 ticks. The next market is gold. We didn't make any money on gold today. We took a break-even trade. I believe that was the only trade we took, was that one break-even trade right there. Gold did have a nice opportunity right here, and I think it had one over here too. It did. But I missed them all. Okay, on the gold. It was just really slow moving. This was on a news event this morning, right here where it moved up. But we tested the BBC and had an up close right here. So that right there was a long trade right there. Okay, for that move up. Let's see, over here, we tested the BBC and had a down close. There was an opportunity to short that. It was actually that bar right there, not the down close below the trend line, because we hit the BBC, so we just needed the down close right there with the bearish divergence and a red cycle. Okay. Let's see. Over here, we had an up close off the BBC, and we got long. It was actually this bar right here. We got long on that. It pulled back a little bit, and we got long on the pullback, and we ended up taking a break-even on that trade. Once it closed above the MA1 right here, I moved my stop to break-even, and it took me right out of the trade. There was another opportunity right here. Okay, I missed that one. And currently, there's nothing. But there was another long trade right in here, if you wanted to take it. If we were drawing a trend line down the tops, it would have been like this. And you've been looking for the close above the trend line, which was right there. Alright, and that was that. Alright, soybeans. Now we started out soybeans with a loss this morning. Okay, right here. I was telling everyone in the live trading room that I think this is going to go up here, and this is just a deep pullback on the larger move up. But the trade set up, so I took it, and it stopped me out. And I was right about it being just a deep pullback on the larger move up. I'm going to just throw something on here. I didn't do this in the live trading room, but I will do it right now. If I just throw these fibs on there, you You can see the retracement right here was 60, 62%, 68%, whatever that was. It hit that level and it moved up off it. That is what that is. Alright, so we got the up close right here, and we got a little bit back on that one. We got 4 ticks, I think, profit on this one when we took the up close above the trend line. And we got another 4 ticks on this one when we took the up close above the trend line. And then over here we got, I don't remember how many. Yeah, we got 4 ticks profit on this one. Okay, so we took 4 ticks profit on this one, 4 ticks profit on that one, which covered the 8 tick loss on this one. Then we took 4 ticks profit on this one, and 6 ticks profit on this one. That put us at plus 10 on the soybeans. Now this move right here, guys, again, the larger move down, a deep pullback. If I throw the fib extensions on here, the retracement, you see that? Right there. Bang. Just worth noting, when you're actually in a trade or when you're looking for the trade to set up. I try to tell you guys about that. I try to tell everyone about that when the market's actually moving. But we took the long trade here and we got 6 ticks profit on it. Since then, it's been sideways. All right. We ended up with plus 10 ticks on the soybeans this morning. Natural gas. We had this natural gas trade on. I should have taken profit on the silly thing when it was down here. Okay. We ended up putting this on, and it took forever for the thing to execute and even to take me out of the trade. It stopped me out pretty much to the tick. 74 I think is where I was in, and it pulled back up to 83. So 1 extra tick it went through my stop. I don't know what's happened in natural gas. For like 2 months, natural gas was just this crazy thing that had tons of volatility, and now it's just got nothing. But anyway, we took this trade and we ended up stopping out for minus 8 ticks. You can see right here, this is the expanse of natural gas from right here. From right here to here. That's it. Just like, 30 bars. Nothing. Anyway, we're at minus 8 ticks on the natural gas. On the ES, there was only 1 trade that we pointed out, and that was right in here. It was a long trade off the BBC, and that worked out pretty well. It didn't get all the way up to 74. I was saying it should get up to 74, which is the zone, but it didn't get all the way up there. You think, Jim? Anyway, the ES is just stuck in sideways. That's it. That's all we got, guys. I'm going to bring this up and show you this. Again, this is our spreadsheet for the month. We are up $5,852.50 a contract on the month of April. Again, if you are on the free trial, if you were on the free trial yesterday, you should have gotten something in your email telling you what it takes to become a partner. If you did not get that and you want to become a partner, then just send me an email at support@cfrn.net or call me at 943. It's 1943. I can't remember the number.
949-42-E-mini.
That's right, 949-42-E-minis. I just mixed up the 943. That's my regular number. 949-42-E-mini. Thanks, Dwayne. 949-423-6464. 949-423-6464. And that's it. All right. If you want to become a partner and get into the partners meeting with us tomorrow night, then you need to do it before the meeting. The meeting is at 9 p.m. Eastern tomorrow night. Okay? Reminder for all the partners. Again, as we do every Thursday night, partners meeting. All right. That's it. With that, I'm going to wrap it up, and we can head out to Vegas.